Hi, welcome to 3 in 3. That's 3 Walt Disney World tips in about 3 minutes. Today's topic are the top 3 things to always take in your day bag when you're traveling to a Walt Disney World theme park. Number 1, sunblock. No matter what time of year you're traveling, sun is still an issue at Walt Disney World. Even if it seems like a cloudy day, you're not going to want to miss putting on sunblock. You can tell sunblock's really important to me. I'm very fair-skinned, but everyone should be putting on sunblock to stay safe. And you may want to carry around a little tube of sunblock in your day bag to reapply, especially during summertime when you might sweat a little bit, when it might rain, and wash some of that off midday, because sometimes you do get rainstorms midday. Or if you're on Splash Mountain and get a little wet in the face, just reapply that sunblock. You want to stay safe? Carry around a little sunblock. Number 2, you want to make sure that you always have water on hand. Again, this is especially crucial in summertime. We usually carry around a very small bottle and we refill the water at many of the quick service restaurants. You can ask for a small cup of water and refill your water. Some of the quick service restaurants have refill stations for sodas, which also has a water tab on it, and we've used that refill station as well. But you don't have to pay for water. Bring your own bottle and refill it as often as you can and stay hydrated. Number 3, you want to make sure that you carry a phone charger with you. This is really important because a lot of times you're using your app to check your fast passes or change your fast passes and even add a new fast pass. You can use the My Disney Experience app to check wait times, to also make restaurant reservations midday or check your restaurant reservation. And it's just a great tool to have for taking pictures. Your phone will be handy for a lot of things. It will drain very quickly using it for fast passes, pictures, restaurant reservations, checking everything. And last time I was there, I picked up a fuel rod, which is available throughout Walt Disney World. And this is my new favorite thing. The fuel rod, you can charge your phone with it, and then once it runs out of juice, you just exchange it. There are several different fuel rod locations throughout each of the theme parks. For example, in Magic Kingdom, there's one in Tomorrowland, and you just put in the old and it will spit out a new, fresh, charged battery pack so that you can keep your phone charged the entire time. I usually use the fuel rod about 2 times and then I'll switch it out, especially if I'm really close by to a station where you can switch out the fuel rod. I'll go drop it in, get a new fuel rod, and I'm ready to go. There you have it. That's 3 tips for what to keep in your day bag when you're headed to a Walt Disney World theme park. Be sure to click on subscribe so that you don't miss a video or miss any of our tips. Until next time, keep living the magic.